I think it's interesting. Usually ChatGPT does not take actions. What I mean by that, ChatGPT can generate text, can do images, and do many things, but it doesn't do the actual action. For example, if I want to send an email, I did some work, research, or anything on ChatGPT, created some data or analysis, and I want to send that to someone. Usually I copy it and put it in an email and then send it. Can I send it directly from ChatGPT? Say send it to XYZ, it will send it to them. Can I use it to create agenda in my calendar, add a meeting or something like that? Can I get it to post to LinkedIn or other social media platform just from ChatGPT without going somewhere else? Yes, the answer is yes. Although there are some companies working on a similar solution like Rabbit.inc, who they wanted to create a new device, or they created a new device which allow you to do things on that device. They think they will change the future of a mobile phone through that one, which interesting. Anyway, how I can do this, let me show you what I did. Of course, I created a custom GPT. So if you click on this and you come to my GPT, which will be in your case is your GPT, these are the custom GPTs I created. One of it called send email. So if I open it now I am in my send email Hamad Udabi, which is a version of ChatGPT, but customized to allow me to send email. So let's say write a quote about future of education and the impact of AI. This is just to get some text or thing we can use to send the email. Yeah, that's it. Now this is the text I have. Now I want to send it by email to hodabi@gmail.com, and the subject is future of education. Let's see now. It will go now and call my GPT connections, which I use a service called Zapier that connect to my app, to my Gmail, or anything it can connect to. There are more than 5,000 applications that you can connect with and do anything you want to do. If like you want to book a flight, you can connect to one of those agencies, or book a hotel, you can connect to booking.com or Airbnb or anything. Okay, please, it's asking me now to confirm, so I'll say proceed. Let's make it simple. You need someone to assist you. You don't need to tell him or tell her so much things. Yeah, isn't it? Let's see if it can do this that way. So we said, yeah, proceed. It's now checking confirmations from me. I confirmed that I will allow it to do that. This confirmation is good to ensure that. So the email has been sent successfully. So if I come to my Gmail and check, here is it. So this is the email, AI, whatever it is. Whatever was in that email, it will do that. That's simply what to do. So how I created this one, that's the question. First, I went, as you know, to my custom GPT and clicked create. So you can create your own GPT version. You train it on your own data, you make it connect with your applications, to do things for you or for your customers. You can do all this. And the way to get it to do that, I created one. So I'll show you the one I created. So here is the one I created. I'll go into the edit. When you get here, you will have to give it a name, of course. And there are some instructions here. I'll come to the instructions. But if you go down, you will find here actions. Yeah. So you need to click on those actions. And in the actions, you need to find the URL you put here. And then you import it. So the URL, you go to Zapier. Zapier has a documentation page, which you go to. And if you log in and you have your account, you come down, this is the URL you need. You take this URL and put it here, and you will have import beside it. My import disappeared because it's already done. That's one thing you need to do. The other thing, you need to create your actions, your integration. So you go to another page called actions.zapier.com GPT actions, and here you start creating actions. For example, I created this one. I created another one that copy text from my discussion and add it to Google Docs. So I'm collecting something, it keep adding it there, and then I can send it later to my team, or my team look at it. For example, if I want to create an idea or a story for a video, I can work with ChatGPT to create the story and then say copy it to a Google Doc. It goes there, and my team will get an alert. The document is there. They can take it and create a video, something like that. You can add as many as, if you click here to add a new actions, you can add any action, and there are 5,000 again applications. You want to post to LinkedIn, you just write here LinkedIn, and will come to you LinkedIn. And there's so many things you can do with LinkedIn, like you share update, or maybe create a company update, or you do advertisement, and the things you can do here. And the other things, if you're using HubSpot, which is CRM, and you want to send some data there, so it can be Facebook, the 5,000 different applications, you can use it to do this. So for example, in my case, let me go back. I don't want this one, so go back. In my case, I configured the email, and the email configuration is very simple. So I need the Gmail to send and this one, then the configuration will be here. So now if I want to add this one, I can do as well. Let me do that. We'll go down here. I'll copy this name. Let's go to the configuration. So I need to duplicate these two lines, and let's do it together with this one here. Now the name for this one is copy to Google Doc, and I come here and put it like this. The name, you can create any name, but you need to use exactly the same name used there. And the URL will be this one, configuration URL. I come here, take this one and put it there. Now my other action is linked. Once you do that, you just save yours. I saved it as only me. I don't want to make it for others. So you have different way. Invite only. You can invite other people, or you can share it with everyone. I'm just keeping it for myself because this is only me now. And now when I am here, I can do all the needed things, like for example, create a rubric to grade Java coding exercise, something like that, and put it in a table. Okay, it will do this, and then later I can say take this one and send it to XYZ, or put it in the in the doc file, and it will just do that process, because I'm using my and it becomes, it can do anything that ChatGPT does, because it's ChatGPT. But the additional thing now, it can perform actions for me. So I can make it do so many things on other applications. I can add this one, I can send it to Microsoft Teams, add it to my calendar, create appointment, maybe book for me a hotel if I come here and I can't try. Also, let's try that one. Let's go back. Let's create one for booking.com, for example. Yeah. If I say here and look at booking, see comes the other. You need to explore all those apps to find. There are many apps who can do some booking, like to do is booking.com there, booking.com, booking, it's somewhere, maybe you need to search for it. But so many apps, as you can see, that can be integrated. You can look at Outlook if you want to send things through Outlook. Hopefully, yeah, Outlook is there, Microsoft there. You can look at Zaho, so many things. I can create maybe a video using Synthesia. Synthesia, is Synthesia there? No, Synthesia is not there. You can search for all those different apps. There's a huge number of apps you can do. And you can configure it to do whatever you want it to do. So that's the idea behind now making ChatGPT does actions, not only perform this writing and drawing and stuff like that. So I hope you find this video useful, and let me know your comments and anything